What if you could look 10 years younger without surgery, injections, or expensive creams? Science shows there are simple, natural ways to slow aging, even reverse visible signs of it. I'm Allan Wohrnitz, a nutrition expert helping people restore their health naturally. Today, I'll share 5 anti-aging hacks that keep your skin youthful, your body energized, and your mind sharp, so you can look and feel your best at any age. Hack number 1. Boost collagen naturally. Collagen keeps your skin firm, free from sagging, elastic, and wrinkle-free. To boost it naturally, eat foods rich in vitamin C, like citrus and berries, and consider hydrolyzed collagen with a copper peptide to trigger your body's own production of collagen. Hack number 2. Stay hydrated from the inside out. Wrinkles love dry skin. Drink plenty of water and eat hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens. You can also support skin hydration with hyaluronic acid, or better yet, milk peptides to help your body make hyaluronic acid naturally. Hack number 3. Antioxidant power. Oxidative stress is like rust for your body. Eat colorful fruits and vegetables, green tea, and dark chocolate to fight off free radicals and protect your skin and cells. Hack number 4. Strength training. Muscle loss is one of the fastest signs of aging. Strength training just 2 to 3 times per week keeps your posture strong, boosts metabolism, and makes you look more youthful. Hack number 5. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours and avoid screens an hour before bed to maximize recovery and skin rejuvenation. If you want a personalized anti-aging plan, I offer a free 30-minute health consultation. The link is in the description. Let's help you turn back the clock naturally. Looking younger is about more than just appearances. It's about feeling energized, confident, and healthy. Subscribe for more health and anti-aging tips.